Day one. Hey guys, this is Courtney from Coco and 3, and welcome back to our channel. And today I have another hair tutorial for you guys, and this is my curl and go, wash and go routine. And before we get into the actual tutorial, I would like for you guys to hit that subscribe button, support your girl, and also I already passed by it, but the actual products that I used 2 products. It was the Aunt Jackie's Quench Leave-In Conditioner and Aunt Jackie's Curl La La Defining Curl Custard. And so actually in my curl and go routine, I do a method that's mirroring these 2 methods like shingling and finger coiling, just to give some more definition to my curls, because I tend to feel like I have to still train my curls to actually curl up. So it just kind of helps. And I also put the steps in the description in the video below, so that can also help you out when you're doing this routine. So I'm just going to let the video play so you can guys see what I'm doing. As you can see, I split my hair into 4 sections, and then I work individually in each part, and I make sure I get the product in on each strand of my hair so I can make sure it's moisturized, because one key to my hair, if I don't put enough up there, it will turn into a real fro. So I go into the parts and I make sure I put the leave-in conditioner, and I also put on the curl custard, and I wrap my finger around the hair and do shingling at the same time. So it gives it definition, so that once it dries, you will still see the curls at the ends as well. You also want to make sure that your hair is still wet. My hair works better when it's really wet and I'm applying the actual product, because it will take it in and it won't sit on the top of my hair once it dries. And my hair, I just learned, is low porosity, and I believe I have 3C, 4A hair. Comment below if you could kind of tell me what kind of hair pattern I have, just to kind of help you girl out. Now we are at the home stretch. I have curled out my bang, and as you can see on the left side of my head, it's already starting to shrink up because it's starting to dry. So once I'm finished, I shake it out just to get the curls to just kind of not have any parts or anything, kind of fluff it to how I like. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you like the video, comment below, and to subscribe to our channel, and let us know what you think about this curl and go, wash and go routine. This is my day one wash and go, and it is cute, girl. Yeah, did some finger coiling. It's gonna shrink up a lot, but it's okay because I wanted some definition this time. This is sometimes how I do my wash and goes. Look how cute that is. My hair is a little bit looser on the top, that's why it looks like that, and tight at the bottom.